know how much I love old homes, but there's something special about a true farmhouse that has that feel. Now this isn't just an old home, it has a ton of updates. New attic insulation, new wiring, new plumbing, new HVAC as well. Even tuck pointing of the joints around the outside, plus a new fence framing this 80 by 200 foot yard. If that isn't big enough, hey, I at least think that's pretty farmhouse. But you know what? Friends never come in through the front door. So the day in, day out entry, which is also the laundry room, I think you'll agree, is pretty darn farmhouse. True, authentic farmhouse qualities are exuded in this kitchen that overlooks the back 40. It's great to see how those vegetables grow. But you also have the shiplapped ceiling overhead that again has that true farmhouse rustic feel. I'd consider that pretty farmhouse. And oh yeah, a woodshed / shop just right off the kitchen. That way you know when it's supper time. Do you want to know some more elements that are pretty farmhouse? Well, welcome into the dining hall with its original wide plank floors that are still in great condition. Plus also this window niche letting in ample natural light all across from the full bath that has been updated with plenty of room to get cleaned up after a hard day's work. Now let's not forget about these original pocket doors that make their way into this true parlor, again, with a beautiful window niche with tall windows letting in a ton of natural light. But all of this just enters off this beautiful and original foyer with its gorgeous doors letting in tons of light from both above and a tall window set. So welcome upstairs to the top floor with its 10-foot ceilings. Now the reason they did 10-foot ceilings back in the day over 100 years ago is there wasn't the central air, in fact new central air system that we have now. But they put 10-foot ceilings, that way the hot air went up high, keeping the area where you're sleeping nice and cool. Now the master bedroom still has pretty much a farmhouse feel. However, it also has some modern updates with a walk-through closet and also ensuite privilege access to this gorgeous bathroom with clawfoot tub and also stand-up shower and dual vanity plus heated floors. Now I know the heated floors aren't pretty farmhouse, but they're pretty nice. So rounding out the top floor are two more really large bedrooms with brand new carpeting and tall ceilings again. Plus there's also the girls' bedroom with a wood wall. That's pretty farmhouse to me. Now my mom grew up in an actual farmhouse, and anytime I think about farmhouse, I think of snacks. These are the only bear paws you'll find in New Dundee. Still, you'd have to agree that that's pretty farmhouse. Looking out over the fenced back 40 with room for a shop, that's pretty farmhouse to me. With all those farmhouse elements being pretty much bang on point, this could be the prettiest thing that I ever did see. It's a pretty farmhouse to me. Dear Watty, Chestnut Park. Come on, buddy, let's go find the park. Come on, the park's this way.